Welcome to nlpaper, the best tool for organizing and summarizing research papers with just one click. Let's start by uploading a paper. It's as simple as copying a link or selecting a PDF file. Once your paper is processed, you can analyze it in seconds with key insights and a structured summary, helping you decide whether to dive deeper. With AI-generated tags, folders, and outlines, finding any paper in your library has never been easier. When your library is filled with cutting-edge research, explore new directions using our knowledge graph visualization. We look forward to seeing you back in the app, where you'll receive daily recommendations tailored to your research interests. Sign up now for free!